Hi, Denise here, howtostayfitover50.com, continuing the After the Hysterectomy series. I hope you're having an amazing day. Before I get much further, be sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any updates. You can also get more information on my website, howtostayfitover50.com, or join me in the Facebook group, How to Stay Fit After 50 with Denise. So let's get into it. Today's question that I'm answering is, will I gain weight if I have a hysterectomy? Well, that's kind of a difficult question. So how I come to all these questions is based on my experience. My experience, for the first 2 years after my hysterectomy, I did not gain weight. I did not. I actually lost weight. What happened in year 3, however, was when my battle seemed to begin, and it's, as I've mentioned before, it's something with my metabolism went way out of whack, and yes, I started gaining weight. I have gotten it under control so that it's not going this direction anymore, but it's also not going so much in this direction. I am down 15 pounds, but that's been over the past 6 months, and it's been a nutrition change more than anything. You know, I'm a fitness instructor. I am very active. I teach 9 classes a week. I kayak weekly. I hike weekly. I'm always out and about with clients, or I'm out in my yard, because you can see I'm in my home office today. And it's not been an easy path for me to lose weight. So I personally, at 59, I had my hysterectomy at 53. So I am now 6 years into this process. As a reminder, or if you're just joining me, I had a complete hysterectomy where I was cut from hip to hip because my uterus was so enlarged they were not able to remove it laparoscopically. I have to enunciate that word. It just doesn't really easily roll off the tongue. So I do have a pretty serious scar from hip to hip. But like I said, I am very, very active. It's, for me, more important that I feel good in the skin I'm in, okay? I know us women, we get so focused on those little numbers on the scale. But if you put your focus on feeling good first, okay? Focus on first feeling good physically, mentally, emotionally, the weight loss will follow. That's what I did. Like I said, I'm down 15 pounds. I had made a serious nutrition change. Sorry about that message popping in. I made a serious nutrition change in that I am now roughly 80-85% vegetarian. That has helped tremendously. I also did a complete sugar detox about 6 months ago, and I also run sugar cleanses. So make sure if that's something that you struggle with, if you struggle with almost like an addiction to sugar, be sure you get into one of my sugar cleanses. I'll put that link below. But I did a sugar cleanse and have since really not struggled with that part of it, as far as eating sweets and everything. And I'm sure that contributed to the 15 pounds I lost. But the main thing is, did I gain weight? Yes, I believe I have. And yes, I believe it's a direct result of my hysterectomy. There it is. I'm going to tell you. You know, with me, I'm going to tell you straight up what's going on. Part 2 of it, have I been able to lose weight? I have. I haven't lost everything that I've gained, but I have lost, and most importantly, I have kept the 15 pounds off. Okay, that's very important. It came off very slow, but it came off. Is it possible for you to lose the weight? Yes, but please, you need to be very kind to yourself. And again, your main focus, I can't impress this enough on you. Please, 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 have your main focus be on how you feel. You want to feel good no matter what the weight is, okay? No matter what that scale says. Ignore that scale. It's only a guideline. It's only a guideline. So focus on feeling good today, right now, no matter what the weight is, in the skin you're in. Because you know what? Those little numbers don't really tell you or anybody else how beautiful you are on the inside and out. I will put all the links below so that any questions, or if you want to reach me, you know how to do it. But most important message for you today is feel amazing in the skin you're in and keep moving forward every single day. If weight is an issue for you, it will follow. Okay? Hope you're having an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe. Email me, DeniseSanger@gmail.com, howtostayfitover50.com. Love y'all.